Hi everyone. So hope you guys are doing well, and I know it's like really long that I have been inactive on the platform, or rather this channel of mine. But due to some pressing situations which I just could not avoid, and it was just not possible to be active. So as I mentioned, a couple of days ago in a post on YouTube, that I would be, or rather I'm planning to be active again. So thank you for the overwhelming response, first of all, to my channel, to my work, to my videos that you guys have shown, in past, I would say, I think more than 1.5 years, because I was not active then. Still, you guys subscribed to the channel, you guys liked the video, commented, and even requested to make different videos on different topics. So thank you so much for that. And if you talk about the academic topics, see, the demand of the exam now, if you just talk about the exam, so the demand of the exam now is like, you have to probably modify your approach, or maybe change something for the positive. And there are many things which needs to be done on the academic angle, which definitely will be doing. But if we talk about the non-academic things, like for instance, whatever has happened either in our country or across the globe, in past, I would say, again, 1.5 year or little more than that, one after the other, every instance that has happened. And though I was not active on any social media platform, I did follow the news, right? So I am very much aware also, and definitely you guys are also aware about what has been happening since past 1.5 or maybe 2 years. So now, just talking about the academic stuffs, I think won't suffice. And my approach, at least those who have subscribed to my channel earlier, those who have been following me since beginning, they know my approach, that I also talk about different topics that actually you guys only suggested me to start with, which we call as something like on the motivational topics, or maybe something like psychological topics. So I have discussed about how to deal with different, I would say, infatuations, you can say, or different kind of distractions, or how to deal relationship, how to handle pressure, how to handle failure. These are some of the things which I've covered earlier, but I would definitely like, because I have received many mails and messages also regarding the same. So I would also like to continue with the same other topics also. I would like to put forward my views regarding whatever I think. And the reason why I do this is because I do not tell in those videos only the things that I have watched in a movie, or rather heard from someone, or just read in a book. I do not do that. Whatever I have said till now in all my videos are the things that I have done personally in my life. So therefore these are definitely and just my personal experiences. Therefore I think that this is a good platform to share this. And because you guys have also liked it and encouraged me to come forward more with such videos, so thank you so much again. Now the reason I made this introductory video is because you can say that I'm restarting it all over after such a long gap. Things have changed for me, for you, I think for everybody now. So you need to tell me, because without your help it would be really difficult for me to actually put forward the things to you. So please do tell me in the comment section what are the videos that you would want me to make on the non-academic topics, anything we can discuss, and of course the topics which I could relate with, because only then I can talk. And the second thing, the academic topics, which subject you want me to start with, what kind of videos do you want me to make, about what topic, what subject, what book, if you want to make me to make it on a particular book. So anything, whatever you like me to make, please tell me. I'll see the majority, and what the majority wants, accordingly we can make the video, and then I'll proceed. So yes, I'm officially declaring that yes, I will be active now, but then on what basis, on what frequency, and what will be the content, that will depend on you actually. So I need your input so that I can give you whatever I can give you from my side. So thank you so much for watching all the videos that you have done till now, and of course to this video, thank you for showing this much of love and respect and dedication. I definitely will be active now, and please help me regarding the content that you need to see, right? Both academic and non-academic. So thank you so much guys. Waiting for the comments, or you can mail me also. So hopefully we meet soon. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.